Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. Please rerun Roblox player installer without admin privilege error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important information or step. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you'll need to do is to open your Windows or click into your Windows key on your keyboard, and then in here we are going to search in Roblox player. So this is your Roblox player, and then you need to open the file location. So click into the open file location, and here on the Roblox player, just right click onto that, and then you can open the properties. And then in here under the compatibility section, so this part right here, compatibility, you will be able to see the section that says disable full screen optimizations, run this program as administrator, register this program for restart. So you can check the box, run this program as administrator. So after checking the box, you can go ahead and click on to the apply button. So this error should, or by following this straightforward step, you grant the necessary permissions to Roblox client, allow it to run without encountering the aforementioned error. So if the problem persists, you can further troubleshooting may be necessary, such as reinstalling the application. So if you want to reinstall the application, what you'll need to do is to open your settings, or click into your Windows and click this gear icon right here to open your settings, and then go to the app section, and in here just find the Roblox player. So it is this one right here, and you can uninstall it. And after uninstalling the application, so you can reinstall the application. So you can go ahead and head over to the roblox.com and try to launch an experience. So after launching experience, there's going to be a pop-up prompt, so you can follow the on-screen prompts to re-download the necessary files. So after that, you can launch the Roblox again, and it should now open automatically, free from the previous error. So reinstalling the application is a common troubleshooting step that can resolve various issues, including permission related errors. So by following the steps that I told you, you ensure a fresh and error-free installation of Roblox, enabling you to enjoy your gaming experience without hindrance. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.